Suddenly, strange people walked up to me, pretending they knew me, and begging me to introduce you.
Who's that bunch of personality?
I'm presenting her right now. Baby, take a bow.
Where'd you find that lovely cameo?
I'm presenting her right now. Baby, take a bow. Hear them whispering.
Isn't she the sweetest thing?
You're a standout.
She's cute, she's sweet, she's swell, she's grand. Who's the future Mrs. Hemingway?
Just a minute, ladies. I'm presenting her right now. Baby, take a bow.
Everybody's asking me, who's that bunch of Oh me, oh my, I'm so sad that I could cry, with a very good reason why. I've no one to be gay with, that's why I wear a frown. No children I can play with, London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. I want to make mud pies. In fact, I'd like to be a mess. I want to make mud pies. I know that I'd find happiness. If I got jam on my fingers, chocolate on my face, and molasses all over my dress, you're the only friends I've ever had. But 1 minute you're good, and the very next minute you're bad.
They're creepy and they're kooky, mysterious and spooky. They're all together ooky, the Addams Family. Their house is a museum. When people come to see them, they really are a scream, the Addams Family.
Neat. Sweet. Petite.
So get a witch's shawl on, a broomstick you can crawl on. We're gonna pay a call on the Addams Family.
Got to think what I will be when I'm no longer small. When